Hello everyone, I'm Deborah Fit550. Thank you guys so much for joining me. And now that you are joining me, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me the honor of pressing that subscribe button below, and also remember to give this video a like and a share, because that's how YouTube knows that you are enjoying this content, and they will continue to spread it around. You guys, thank you so much for your support. So today, you guys, I've got in front of me some chicken tenders. I've got a medley of very colorful vegetables, and I've got some cauliflower rice along with some seasoning, you guys. Today I am making a chicken fajita bowl. It's going to be quick, it's going to be easy, it's going to be delicious, and it is going to allow us, you guys, to put something together that is absolutely delicious and get back to our holiday and weekend entertaining. So if you guys want to learn how to put all this together and also keep it low carb, keto friendly, then stay with me and I will show you how coming up next. All right, everyone, in order to put together this chicken fajita bowl, I'm going to start with putting together my seasonings so that way I can go ahead and marinate this chicken. So I am going to start with some fresh minced garlic. And here, guys, I've got some already pre-mixed fajita seasoning. And this consists of salt and pepper, some paprika, some cumin, some oregano, you guys, along with some chili pepper. And I got this, if you're interested, from a company called Penzeys. All right. Go ahead and mix this together. And to this, I am going to add some fresh lemon juice. And let's blend this all together. And you guys, this is our marinade for the chicken. Okay. And again, these have been cut up into chicken tenders, just like that. All right. Let's go ahead and pour this marinade right on top. Give this a mix so that this chicken is well coated with these seasonings. All right, you guys, and there we have it. So I'm going to set this aside and for about 20 minutes, and then the next time you see me, you guys, we will be at the stove. But before we do this, just one quick note. My veggies over here, I went ahead and prepped them in advance. I'll show you guys just how beautiful they are. All right, you guys, had to go wash my hands. Okay, so let me just show you these veggies. And this is what they look like. Absolutely beautiful. All right, you guys, so let me go ahead and again, give this chicken about 20 minutes or so to marinate in all these herbs and seasoning and spices, and then I will see you at the stove. Okay, everyone, so while that chicken is cooking, I decided to go ahead and put this cauliflower rice into the microwave. And it is out and it has drained. And I'm just gonna add some seasonings of choice to it. And that being, you guys, some more of this fajita seasoning. I want this bowl to be jam-packed with flavor, from the very top all the way down to the bottom. Go ahead and toss this in. And our rice is ready. All right, everyone. So I've got my cast iron skillet here. To it, I'm going to add some avocado oil, and we are going to cook this chicken. Okay, let's spread it out. And we are going to cook it until golden brown, and then we're going to flip it over. All right, everyone, let's go ahead and, yes, this is perfect. It's a little charred on this side, just exactly the way I want it. Give you a close-up, just like that. And we're going to flip this, and we're going to cook it on the other side. And then, you guys, it'll be ready to cook the veggies. All right, everyone, this chicken is ready. So let's take this out. Okay. Put a little bit more of this avocado oil in the pan. And in goes our veggies. I'm going to start with the onions. And by the way, I did turn down the heat on the stove. Okay, and next for our peppers. And we're going to continue to cook these until just tender. All right, everyone, these veggies are ready. They are just a little bit charred and they are tender. So now it's time to go ahead and add this chicken back in, give it a stir, and we will be ready to put our chicken fajita bowl together. Go ahead and turn off the flame and mix this together, you guys. And this looks absolutely amazing. All right, I will see you at the table where we will serve this up. Okay, everyone, and here it is. Hot off the stove. Okay, it is time to put this bowl together. So over here, this is rice. My husband does not like cauli rice, so he just has the traditional rice. But this just goes to show you guys that you can take something that is low carb and make it work for the entire family. So he's got regular rice here. And I have my cauli rice that I'm gonna put at the bottom of this bowl. Followed by some of this chicken and colorful vegetables. Oh my gosh, guys, you see this? Absolutely amazing. Get a little bit more green in here. All right. Okay, and now we're going to put some picante sauce. With cheese. And some sour cream. And there we have it, you guys. A chicken fajita bowl that the entire family can enjoy. All right, you guys, now it is time to give this a taste. Lord, I thank you. And I have to say, you guys, not only does it look amazing with all these colorful vegetables, but it smells phenomenal. All right, here we go. So delicious. Oh my God. You guys, this chicken is tender and is seasoned to perfection with the fajita seasoning that I put on it, along with that lemon juice and fresh garlic. Oh my goodness. And these vegetables. Oh, absolutely perfect. And they're all this charred just a little bit, just to give it that smoky flavor. Oh, delicious, you guys. And I have to add, these vegetables are sweet too. So good. You guys, give this a try. And when you do, please do let everyone know just how delicious this is. I am not kidding you. The things that you can do with chicken, you guys, the possibilities are endless. And again, I'm low carb, my husband is not, but I took the same ingredients and made it work for both of us, just with a little tweak. Guys, please do remember to give this video a like, thumbs up, and please do share it. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button below. And remember, you guys, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special with delicious, low-carb, keto-friendly meals such as this that the entire family and friends alike can enjoy. So guys, until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I'll see you all real soon on my next Fit 550. Enjoy.